Hello, my fabulous fart faces. It's Bev B. Today we're going to be taking a look at this diamond painting from Enabler's Outpost. Look at my nails though. Look at my nails. I did my nails. Don't look at my skin because my skin is dry, but look at my nails. So pretty, so Halloweeny. Anyways, so Enabler's Outpost was very kind and they sent me this to share with you guys on my channel. Thank you so much to Elizabeth and Edward. I'll put the link in the description box below on where you can buy this. And it is available on their website as I am filming this video. So here is the image we're going to be looking at. Look at how pretty she is, and there's a little rainbow in her umbrella and her beautiful dress, and she's Asian representation. And then we have, it's a round diamond painting. It measures 50 by 65 centimeters. So let's get into it. We have our canvas. Oh, first off, we have our toolkit. Here's a really quick view of the toolkit, everything you get. The blue wax fell out of the container. Whoa. But here we go. That's what you get. You get 2 multi-placers. I really love those thin multi-placers. They're really great. Pull out. Okay, we have the drills. Oh my goodness. I had no idea they were sending me the crystal version of this kit. Last time I did Enabler's Outpost, I did Moon Witch. And it was so fun to work on. That was crystal square, so now this is crystal rounds. And it has ABs. And the ABs aren't crystals. This is so neat. Okay, those are our drills. They come pre-baggied. Now let's look at the canvas. I'm very excited. I'm very excited. Here is our canvas. Are you ready? I am ready. Wow! Seriously, wow. Oh my goodness. The rendering looks so good. And because it is like her facial details aren't going to be as defined because her face is so small, but this I think is a decent size for this image because like from far away it's going to look great. And oh, I just love it. Just take in the beauty of this. So at the top we have the Enabler's Outpost logo. On the left we have the schematic. On the right hand side we have the schematic. And then we have artist information, Rain by Deisu Art. Look at her dress. The bottom of her dress is gorgeous. Wow. 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 She is so beautiful. I love how long her hair is. One day I will have long Asian black hair like that. One day. Okay, so let's take a look at the schematic. Looks like we have... We have 4 ABs, and then there's 49 colors total. Oh my goodness. That's like a good amount of colors, and I like that there's 4 ABs. We'll take a look at the detail of the drill field. Here's her face. The drill field looks clear to me. You hear that? That's my cat scratching his post. Yeah, I don't see any issues. Do you guys see anything? I think it will be fairly, like, I don't see any issues that, like, oh, it's hard to read this symbol, etc., etc. I think it's very clear. Wow. Oh my gosh. Imagine this in full crystal. Can you imagine it? Imagine it. Take a moment of silence and imagine it. Okay, that's enough silence. Seriously though, oh my goodness, I'm so excited to do this one. Okay, let's pull out I'm not going to pull out all of the drills because that to me is tedious, but also I don't want to put them back in the packaging properly because I'm a lazy girl. So here are 1, 2, 3. These are our 4 ABs. We have 742 AB, 996 AB, beautiful blue, a pink, that's 605 AB, and then we have green AB, 701. And then we'll take a look at the drills. Let's pull out this green color or blue color. Look at those drills. This is going to be so pretty as a full crystal. The previous one I did as a full crystal, as I mentioned, was so fun to work on. Seriously, I had so much fun working on that one. And because I've never really worked on a full crystal square before. I've worked on a full crystal round before, and that one was fun as well. But I wasn't expecting this to be full crystal. I'm not sure if this diamond painting is available in full crystal and in full round or normal rounds. I'll put a note right here if it is. I'll check the website before I upload this video. So let's take a look to see where those ABs go. I'm guessing the ABs are going to be in the rainbow. So we have Y, which is that light pink. Okay, so that light pink color is going to be all in her umbrella. Like you see this patch of pink here. This patch here, 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 here. It's going to be there. And then we have the green AB, which is 8. 8, 8, 8. Let's see. Where is our 8? Okay. So the 8 AB is going to be sprinkled all throughout this row. Throughout there. And there has to be more. Is there more? I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. So it'll just be in this row here. And then we have that yellow AB. So this yellow that you see in her dress, all of this yellow is going to be AB. So look at the bottom of her dress. It'll be so cute and detailed at the bottom with those ABs. And then the blue AB is going to be, oh, it's going to be in her dress too. So this whole chunk, this color, this blue color, that's throughout her dress, it's going to be AB. Wow, so I'm curious because, okay, so I've never done a diamond painting where there's ABs and crystals. Like a full crystal canvas with ABs. So I'm very curious to see how this will turn out and how those ABs will add to it. What do you guys think of this canvas? Oh, and also you get this sheet here and it talks about the artist. I'm Dashani, self-taught digital artist living in Sri Lanka. That's so neat. She's from Sri Lanka. Inspired by the Chinese wuxia style. I don't know if I said that right. But yeah, so here's a close-up of the image. Rain by Deisu Art, and then 50 by 65 drill area, 49 colors, 55 round stones, 4 AB, poured glue, round drills. And then you get this little sheet here you can turn into a sticker sheet if you want to label your drills. Oh, she's just like literally, she's gorgeous. And I'm so excited to work on this one. I think I might work on this one next just to show you guys, but oh my goodness. This is going to be so fun to work on. Thank you so much to Enablers Outpost for sending me this diamond painting. I really appreciate it. I'm so excited that I get to share it with you guys on my channel. What do you guys think of this diamond painting? Have you done a full crystal kit before with ABs in it? Let me know in the comments down below. And again, to purchase this diamond painting, I will put the link in the description box below. Enablers Outpost also has some nice pens. They have some diamond painting putty called chit, which is Romanian for putty, I believe. And they have drills, and they have diamond paintings, and they have like all the things diamond painting. So make sure you go and check out their website. Let me know if you are going to pick this one up. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I post new videos almost every day. And if you subscribe, you'll keep up to date with my progress on her, because I think I will be working on her next. So make sure you subscribe. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, bye! Look at my nails. Look at my nails. Okay, bye.